back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate and use your Humana Spending Account card. This card allows you to access various allowances provided through your Humana Medicare Advantage plan, such as healthy options, utilities, rent, and other eligible expenses. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so even if this is your first time, you'll have no trouble getting started. Let's begin with how to activate your Humana Spending Account card. Convenient ways to activate it, and you can choose whichever method works best for you. The first option is online activation. To do this, open your browser and visit healthybenefitsplus.com/Humana. Once the page loads, click on Get Started and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to enter your card details and some basic information to complete the activation process. The second option is mobile app activation. Download the Healthy Benefits Plus app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. After installing the app, open it, sign in, or create an account and follow the instructions to activate your card directly from your phone. The third option is phone activation. You can call the number listed on the back of your card and follow the automated prompts. You'll need to enter the 16-digit card number printed on the front of your card. This method is helpful if you prefer not to use the internet. All activation methods are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once your card is activated, let's talk about how to use it. Your Humana Spending Account card works like a prepaid debit card and can be used for eligible goods and services. For in-store purchases, simply go to a participating retailer. At checkout, ask the cashier to scan the barcode on the back of your card for faster processing. If scanning isn't available, you can swipe the card just like a regular debit card. Make sure the store accepts Visa payments since the card operates on the Visa network. To find participating retailers, use the store finder on the Healthy Benefits Plus website or mobile app. This helps ensure your card will be accepted before you shop. You can also use your card for online purchases on approved websites that accept Visa. In addition, certain allowances can be used to pay utility bills, rent, mortgage, phone service, and other eligible expenses. These payments are typically made directly through the service provider's website or approved payment channels listed on the Healthy Benefits Plus platform. Next, let's look at checking your balance and managing your account. You can visit healthybenefitsplus.com/Humana and log in to view your balance, transaction history, and available allowances. You can also do this through the Healthy Benefits Plus mobile app. If you just want a quick balance check, the website offers a quick balance feature that doesn't require logging in. You can also sign in to your My Humana account for detailed information about your plan benefits. Finally, if your card is lost or damaged, getting a replacement is easy. You can request a new card online through the Healthy Benefits Plus website, use the mobile app, or call customer support and follow the prompts to request a replacement. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about activating and using your Humana Spending Account card. I hope this video helped clear things up for you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Happy bank using!